Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Winning Without Borders with me, Kenny Nguyen. Today we are in Thao Dien, and right now we're in an area where there are many shipping containers which were turned into stores, restaurants, and bars. I'm with Paul and Regina, as you can see right there. And in about probably 10-15 minutes, we are going to go rock climbing. Yes, and I'm very excited. And I'm freaking out because I am afraid of heights. I think this fear I'll never get over it. But yeah, we're in this nice area right here. Oh, how kind, as always. They opened the door for me in Landmark 81, and they have opened the door. Well, open. This is not a door. The bush. They've opened the bush for me here. This reminds me of the place that me and Brenda and her friends went to in Bangkok, Thailand. Same concept, I would say. Just there they didn't have the shipping containers. Let's show you one. As you can see, if you guys ever want to rent a spot here in Thao Dien, you can do so. You guys live there, right?
Yeah, that's 3 and that far one's 4. That's
okay. Mastery. So Mastery is where they are currently living in Thao Dien. Has a very nice patio, I would say, right? We're having a party there next week, but shh, because it's Regina's birthday. We're having a secret birthday for her next week. So I gotta post this vlog next week and not this Sunday. Yeah, it's a very nice area. We are gonna head to Saigon Outcast. Now this place is a bar. It even has a rock climbing area, and it also has a half pipe, as Paul said. So we're gonna do a little bit rock climbing, but this place I've never been to before. But as Paul and Regina said, it has a lot of going on the weekdays. There's free food Wednesdays where everybody comes and they cook their own meals just to share with everybody. And what other things in Saigon Outcast would you say?
Drawing workshops. Okay. Half pipe. Different festivals like the Tattoo and Piercing Convention. Good drinks. Good drinks. Good food.
Good food. Yeah. So basically, I've never been there, but we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna do some hardcore rock climbing and then have some refreshing drinks afterwards. So let's see how we do. I am afraid of heights, but it's something I have to overcome. Yeah. So we're gonna head there before it rains, and yeah, we'll see you at Saigon Outcast. Oh, look at that beauty right there. Oops.
So we're going Outcast or Bloq?
I like your pink helmet. The two most badass helmets in Ho Chi Minh City. Oh, look at that. A motorbike out of Indiana Jones. Pretty badass. Alright, you lead the way. Alright, let's go. Motor on that thing. Can get very bad in Vietnam. Often roads can get flooded and making your motorbike die. That has happened to me last week. Look at all that water, guys. We're here at Saigon Outcast. Wow, look at this area. I like it. Okay. I already like the vibe of it. Yeah. Just right here. Not much. So yeah, this is Saigon Outcast. I've never been here before, but as you can see, there's an outdoor rock climbing area, a half pipe, some dogs, Buddha, and very nice graffiti on the wall. I swear these kids right here, they have major cojones. Entrance is a stripped down torii gate. Everywhere I go in Vietnam, I am reminded of Japan. Japan was a very fun experience, one in a lifetime experience, but also a forgettable experience. But as you can see, they have some outdoor seating. They have a gigantic Jenga, which you can play in a corner. And there's Sydney. Okay. Hello, Sydney. How are you? What are you drinking? Oh, I'm not gonna film you. Okay. See.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it's really sweet. I prefer my pizza thing. No? I don't think I like that.
What's in it? What's in it?
Bourbon.
Gin. Oh, bourbon. Ooh.
Bourbon, mulberry, and pineapple juice.
She goes hardcore every time. She taught me how to drink gin, actually. Traditional Saigon special. And thank you. I get my IPA beer.
Yeah, I love that. Do you?
Passion. Passion.
I like the cinnamon. Do you taste the cinnamon?
A little like on the aftertaste, yeah.
You take no salt there?
Yeah.
Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay, so pre-game before we rock climb. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't do this at home. Let the pros do it, okay?
Dessert before dinner.
Yeah, we can do that.
Or do you want to get dinner?
That'd be a good place for you to film.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so for the 2.5 hours that we're here at Saigon Outcast, we didn't really do much. We got lost in a conversation. Initially, we were gonna go rock climbing, but I guess we'll have to save that for next time. It did not rain this much. Did it really? Holy crap. Holy crap. Completely flooded right now.
Yeah.
I don't think it's safe to go through, but we're trying to decide if we should get through. Sydney's on her bike. Everybody else is on their motorbike. I'm on the Vespa, but oh man. Look at him. Look at that guy.
Oh yeah.
I got stuck in this flood like a few days ago, and my motorbike died. But it's pretty dangerous. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Squad.
Oh, there's a taxi.
Hey.
Hey, oh shit, there's a taxi here. Glad he didn't say do ma again.
Alright. Yeah.
Initially, like I said, we're gonna do rock climb, but this vlog turned into a day at Saigon Outcast to taking you a tour of Thao Dien. Right now we are at Sweet and Sour, and we're gonna have some sweets before dinner. Ooh, look at all those sweets right there. Do they have red velvet? That's the question.
They have red and
It's
strawberry
right there.
velvet. This is
what strawberry velvet? What is
there.
that? Oh, look at all that. Oh, look at this red velvet. That's the number one thing I always get. Ooh, pecan. Got Oreo plates. How is it? That means it's good. All right. How's it? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, everybody got two.
This is the best day of my life.
Those are two good choices.
Yes.
This is the best day of our
Everything's
lives.
more.
Playing the cupcakes until Paul ate it all. Alright, now we are at Lighthouse. It's like a bar, and they also sell a whole bunch of lights from chandeliers. Lights before, but what I meant was I've never seen a light store in a bar. There's a bar and a light store. A bar and a light store. Oh, look at that motorbike on the top. We're leaving the Lighthouse. Initially we thought they had a full menu, but they only had like 6 dishes on the menu, so we're moving on.